Alright guys, back again. I've got Adam R here, 2 boxes of 2013 Leaf Best of Basketball live on Blowout TV. Alright Adam, good luck buddy. Let's see what we got here. I'm cracking a lot of this today. Alright, we'll start off with Lenny Wilkens, 25 of 25. And then we've got a 1986 star, Michael Jordan, BGS 8. Subs on that, centering 8.5, edges 9.5, surface 9, and corners 7.5. Nice Jordan. And the last box. Alright, we've got Dennis Rodman. And 06-07 Upper Deck Exquisite Collection. Scripted Swatches, BGS 8.5. LaMarcus Aldridge. 4 of 25. It's a nice piece right there. And autograph grade on that one, unfortunately, is an 8. Don't really understand why that's an 8. I guess because it ran off the card a little bit there. But a very nice rookie hit right there. Again, Adam, appreciate it, buddy, and I'll get it right out to you.